What happens if this joystick stops working properly? Then the whole machine can come to a standstill. The joystick in the Krone Big X is the central control unit. Steering, functions, everything comes together here. And this is exactly where the buttons are located. Over time, they wear out. A typical scenario, you press a button, nothing happens, or only sometimes, or the wrong function is triggered. This isn't a software problem, it's wear and tear, dust, moisture, worn contacts. The good news, it can be repaired. No complete replacement needed, no expensive new part required. We work directly on the buttons, thoroughly, precisely. Defective components are replaced, contacts are checked, everything is restored to full functionality. Then comes the functional test. Every single button, every input. The job is only finished when everything responds properly, and you notice the difference immediately in practice. Working buttons mean control, defective buttons mean stress. In the worst case, operating errors right in the middle of harvest. That's why one thing is clear here: repair instead of replacement.